friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Luigi, Pikachu, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started on the top of the brim of the hat, and we're just going to draw on a nice big curved line. We're going to connect this now. So on the inside we're going to curve this down, up, dragging that back into the center. We're going to do the exact same thing on the right, so curving this down, up, and over, blending that in together in the middle. Let's frame in the ears. So stepping over from this corner, we're going to curve this around and up to the top. We'll try our best to end those at the same height. Now from that point, stepping over, we're going to curve this around and down. Moving into the top of the ear, we're going to curve this up on a diagonal. Let's close off the hat. So on the very top here, we're just going to draw in an arch line, curving this all the way around and then down. And then we'll draw in the Luigi symbol. So right in the center here, we're going to draw in a nice big curved line. Let's draw in the letter L. So on the bottom, we're going to draw in a straight line across. And then on the left, we're going to bring this line straight up to the top. We'll flatten this out, pulling this over. And then we'll bring this back down and across. Let's flatten out the side. Straightening that out. Just frame in the head. So on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line around, tucking that into the middle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, curving this over, blending that together right in the center. Let's continue to close off the hat underneath. So we're going to imagine that this line falls through into the ear, just rounding that out, flattening that in on the side. Right in the center here now for the nose, we're just going to draw in a small sideways oval, and then we're just going to color that in black. Let's come down for the mustache. From the center, we're going to curve this over and out on either side. Let's round this out on the bottom. So we're going to curve this around and through to the center. Joining that together in the middle. Let's move up across. Right in the center, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And then we'll do the exact same thing over on the right. Now on the top, on the inside, we're going to draw in a circle for that highlight. And now let's just color in the eyes black. Let's round out our cheeks now. So coming over on the top, we're just going to curve this all the way around and through on the bottom. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side, tucking that in. Let's draw on the overall straps here. So stepping out, we're going to curve this line out, in, and then up to the top. We'll do the exact same thing over on the right. In the center for the button, we're going to draw in a circle. Now stepping out, we're going to round out the side of the body, curving this down, ending that at the same height. And then right in the middle, stepping up above, just curving that line across. Let's step out for the arm. We're going to draw on the thumb, just curving this around and up beside the body. Let's draw on a corner bracket here, up above, curving that out. Now for the first finger, we're just going to arch this around, tucking that back in. And then again, stepping up, replicating that in the center. Now let's move up. We're going to arch this around, pulling that back in on the side. Now let's move up above, and we're just going to curve this around and down on the inside. And now coming up for the arm, we're just going to curve this line over and in towards that chin. Let's come down the hand here, and we're just going to draw in 3 curved lines. Let's move behind for the tail. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. And now we're going to bring this diagonal line in towards the bottom. Let's flatten this out underneath. And then we're going to bring that back down on the side. Now let's come up. So stepping across, coming down on a slight diagonal, we're going to draw in a curved line right in the center. From here for the foot, we're just going to curve this down on the bottom, ending that at the same height. And now stepping up slightly on this line, we're just going to curve a small line that comes out on either side. Now from here on the bottom, we're going to curve this line over and out. And now let's round that out. So on the side here, we're going to curve this over, tucking that down and in. And then we'll come across on the opposite side, rounding that out, tucking that in. Now from here underneath for the sole of the shoe, just curving this line across. Now let's come up inside the overall here on the top. We're going to curve this line over, dropping down. Let's replicate that. And then now from here in the middle, stepping out, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom.
And that is it. That's how you draw Luigi Pikachu. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.